When strawberries are in season, I use them in everything. So how about strawberries and cream, the cookie version? Whenever you're working with fruit in baking, a squeeze of lemon really helps keep that flavor bright and tangy. Now for the trinity of baking. Butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. Now remember, these are strawberry and cream cookies, so here's the cream. Cream cheese. Now, I mentioned my trinity of butter and sugars, but they are nothing without the help of an egg and a little vanilla. Now for the dry stuff. I got flour, baking powder, and salt. And mixing them together before incorporating them makes sure that they combine really well. There's nothing like fresh cookie dough. Now let's get some of that juice out of these strawberries. And a little bit of flour will absorb the rest. These are delicate, so I'm gonna fold them in very gently. Now this is why they're called Icebox cookies, because these go in the icebox. Chilled dough is always easier to work with. And a little brush of water is gonna help my pink sugar to stick to the outside. Out of the icebox, into the fire. I am very much ready to taste these. Oh, look at that beautiful fresh fruit. It's as good as it looks. Chewy and crunchy, that pop of flavor from the strawberries.